This simple explanation helps you understand how works the wave in salsa 3/2 clave, where bass is on 1. This 3/2 clave style is the best way for understand the wave and for understand where is the 1 and where are the beats, down beats and up beats. Okay, let's start with this song called Bonito y Sabroso, Oscar de Leon. Okay, let's start with this exercise. There are the beats. First, the best wave is found the 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. Okay, and looks how it works. Every 1, 2, 3, 4 goes down. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow with me. Goes down. 1, 2, 3. Emphasize with your body every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down. You can bend a knee. You can bend upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Use the bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Follow with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Next count the end. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and between are the upbeats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Next, change to the 8th note. 1. Every upbeat will be 2, 4, 6, 8. And follow it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Emphasize every 2, 4, 6, 8 to up. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now change the 8 for the end, and you will have much more musicality, melody with the count. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 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 And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Emphasize every 2, 4, 6, 8 upbeats. 2 goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the bass. 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1. Okay. And I hope so this training helps you understand the wave in salsa, because this wave helps you understand the body movement during the dancing salsa. Okay, good homework. I hope so that you will enjoy with this training. Okay, see you.